but they can buy. Even when I'm weak, I'm sure it's gonna be alright.
Yeah, what's up, my guys? Welcome to Forex, the only channel person make into the financial market. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and that also notification. So each time I post a video like this, YouTube can easily get you notified, and YouTube can also redirect others who are new into this video. To our returning subscriber, I don't think that this journey could continue without you guys. You guys have been motivating us, and you have been the reason we have been going. I want to say a big shout out to you, and to those who are not yet subscribed, who are just our viewer, I want to say a big thank you. And your subscription means a lot to Pro Forex YouTube channel. So without wasting enough of your time, because I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll be talking day in my life, day trading GBPJPY. To those who don't understand GBPJPY simply means Great British Pound Japanese Yen. So you can't afford to miss this video because I'll be giving a lot of breakdown. Watch it till the end. So as you guys can know, we are talking about the GBPJPY right there, which is the Great British Pound Japanese Yen. So over the past week, the GBPJPY has claimed a 2.03% rise for over the past 3 to 4 weeks now. And the past month has shown negative of 0.47% fall. Over the past week, it has recorded 2.03% rise. While for over the past month, it has recorded negative 0.47% fall. While over the years, GBP has risen
2,000 years later.
While over the years, GBP has recorded a total rise of 1.03% rise. So a lot of traders says that after gold fear GBPJPY because the volatility index in that trading in that pair is very much as good, and you hardly identify each from each. But nevertheless, some of us still say that gold is the Oga Patapata of them all. If you don't understand broken, I guess you mean the Oga Patapata simply identified as the overall shaman, the overall king of all trade. So that is when GBPJPY comes in. It has a lot of volatility as gold. So it has recorded 1.03% rise over the years. So what I want to do? Yeah, so we have a record high of a lot of profitable forex traders losing money trading GBPJPY, and we have a profit record of a lot of traders running away from GBPJPY, not because it's a bad bet, because the volatility cannot be managed, and that's why a lot of traders have been advised, especially newbie, to stay away from trading SAUSD, that is gold US dollar. Why? Because the volatility in there is much as that of gold and Bitcoin. So that is why a lot of traders are losing money trading GBPJPY. So without wasting enough time, I would like you guys to come. Let me show you my screen how I traded this great British Pound Japanese Yen. So subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. If you like this content, subscribe and like. So first thing, I want to take you guys to the charts. You don't know why I take you guys to the main chart is because I want to explain how everything was done during the days for you guys, because I don't need to take you guys to the charts and take you to a fresh chart and I'll be speaking grammar or showing you what's never happened on the chart. So first thing, let me take you to, you can see this on GBPJPY, this is on 4-hour time frame. You can see on the watermark on this screen. So why I'm going to the 4-hour time frame, because as a day trader you have to do your top-down analysis from either the daily, the 4-hour, the 1 hour, then you come to your 15 minutes to execute your trade. As a day trader, there's 1 hour is where you execute your trade. So as you can see here in my chart, I have the daily, the 4-hour, the 1 hour, and yeah, my guys. So I go to the 4 hours to determine my trend. So immediately I see this is a downtrend. It's creating a corrective move. So this corrective move has been creating higher high, lower high, and higher high. I know that the market is in an uptrend. Then I come to the 1 hour time frame to mark for confirmation So I saw this price consolidating. So I draw out. This is my resistance zone. This is my support. Some call it other block, but I call it simple support resistance. So this is my resistance zone. So this is my support zone. So after that, I've marked out everything. I will now go to my 15 minutes time frame. So coming to my 15 minutes time frame, it helped me to take my trade. So in 15 minutes time frame, as a day trader, I come to the 15 minutes time frame to execute my entry from 4 hours to 1 hour, then 15 minutes. So as soon as I saw the watermark, this is on the 15, this on the 15, this on the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the resistance zone. This is the support zone. So I know a lot of people will be saying support and resistance. This strategy is not based on support and resistance. There are other confluences like this 15 minutes simple moving average. So support simply states that where price has rejected many times, while resistance simply means where price has rejected many times. Let's say for instance, you can see this one rejection, this two rejection, this three rejection, this four rejection. So this is where resistance comes in. So you can see this first touch, this second touch, and it has not got into this zone because there's no more volatility in the market. That's resistance. So immediately the price comes to this zone, I was waiting for price to go up. So immediately the price, you can see from here, this is so a lot of you have understand the resistance and the support zone. So immediately the price comes to here, this is 7:45 a.m. GMT plus 1. That's exactly I forgot in UTC. So let's go. So immediately I was waiting for price to come to this zone. So immediately price come to this zone here. I waited for price to push a little. Immediately I saw this sell bias rejection. Then I was waiting for a bullish candle in order for me not to sell high. And that means in order for me not to sell low and buy high. That was a simple term. If you're a trader, you will understand. So immediately I saw this bullish candle, then I strike in my sales order in my Profile account. So immediately I start in this trade. Yeah. So I saw this candle. So here was my stop loss, this line, because I mark out this zone because I did not use my strategy on GBPJPY, also on USD So yeah, so immediately the price comes to this zone, this zone. From this bullish candle, I started, from this bearish candle, immediately I saw it push up a little, I started selling because it has touched the resistance zone. So my stop loss was beneath this previous high, because if you understand liquidity graph, trading support and resistance, you will understand what I'm saying. So sometimes, why am I talking? Why this liquidity grab? Sometimes liquidity will grab you out from this sell, this bias, just to stop a lot of trade and then start going to the direction. So immediately push to this bullish candle now push up. So I will just calm because my stop loss was a little 10 pips, if I'm not mistaken. So unfortunately, on trading view here, the chart did not stop me out. My Profile account do stop me out. So it got me upset. I have to post it on CC. Let me zoom it for a bit for those who, for clarity's sake, because a lot will be saying you just capping or so you could see that it never stopped me out. It comes to the zone. So it is what it is. I can't challenge them. So I have to let it go. So nevertheless, as a trader, I was still waiting for price because I know price will still come up. There is this news that was happening in USD, which is PPI. So immediately I saw this candle push up. Was here would have been my stop loss. I just saw this candle, then I now saw this EMA rejection candle, then I started selling from this zone again. So why do I have to sell? If it was something, would have just left the market because I trust the strategy and I believe that the market is still for sale. That is when confidence come into you as a trader. So confidence is good when you are trading, believing in yourself. Yeah, so confidence is what you need to have as a financial trader in order for you to beat the psychology of fear. You know that when money is involved in this, where as far as money is involved, you have to be skeptical, you have to be fear, and you have to be afraid. So immediately price come to this zone here. From this zone, I started selling then. So immediately I sold, then the market started dropping. You can see this massive bearish candle. So immediately come to this zone here, I took some partial profit. So I close out some in profit, so I have to break even, let the trade run. So immediately I use it, I will take profit, as greed now. I just think I have to leave the market. So immediately I saw this weak rejection of the bullish, I just see that the bullish guys are about to take those. The bullish simply means the buyers are about to take over the market. I exit the trade. So this was how we ended up trading GBPJPY for the day. What's up, my guys? I hope you guys enjoyed that content and the educational banger there. So I please subscribe. Let's go to 100 subscribers fast, and we wish to hit 10k subscribers this year 2025. So please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see content like this, you want to see how we trade, don't forget to use the link below to join our Telegram channel where we trade. So it will be a great year, and it's not easy trading though. So don't forget to use the link below to join our Telegram channel, and don't forget to follow me on my social media pages: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and I'm always available to respond to your DM. So subscribe. I love you guys.